Hello everyone, welcome to my blog. Today we will understand some conditional functions like if-else functions and how to use them. Let's start with some of the basic concepts of if-else functions. We have we have a rule input with the name of number and it is of type number. First of all, we will declare here a bang local variables. Now inside local variables, we will use if functions we can use without abang local variables and also inside abang local variables also. Let's first test whether a number given by the user is even or not. Let me first give you the definition of if functions. So inside if we have three parameters. First is condition, it will check the condition. If the condition is true, then it will give return this value. If the condition is false, then it will return this value. Now let's see if the condition is divisible by 2, we will print even, and if it is not divided by 2, we will print odd. So for remainder, we will use the mod function. And rule input is RI number. We will pass the input from RI number. This is a rule input. If mod RI 2, RI number comma 2 is equal to 0, means if the remainder is 0 when the number is divided by 2, then we will print even. Otherwise, if it is not divisible by 2, then we will print false. Now, format the expression rule. Let's give the number as, let me give one number as 4 and click on test rule. So here you can see it has given even. Now, let's give this number as 5. Test, it will give us false. And then we can check if we give one number as 102, test it. It is even because it is divided by 2 and remainder will be 0. Now let's test 101. It gives false because 101 is not divisible by 2. Now let's understand one another concept of a function. Let's say we want to print whether the age input by the user is greater than 18 or not. If it is equal to 18 and greater than 18, we will print eligible to vote. If it is less than 18, we will print it is not eligible to vote. Now let's test this condition. Inside if function, we will now write the condition here. If RI number is greater than equal to 18, it will print eligible to vote, else we will print not eligible to vote. Now let's test this. If I give the age as 15, this is not greater than or equal to 18, it will print not eligible to vote. Now let's give age as 55, it will print eligible to vote because it is greater than equal to 18. If we give only 18, then it will print yes, it is eligible to vote. So in this way, we can use the if-else function. Now we will see the concept of multiple if-else functions. They are nested. Let's say the number, these are the marks given by the user. If marks greater than 80, so we have the condition here. If marks, that means here we will take as number. If number greater than 80, it will print grade A. Marks are greater than 60 and less than 80, it will print B, and else it will print C. So this is our condition. Now it will involve multiple if else. If RI bank number is greater than 80, it will print A grade. Inside this we have another if function, and that is inside this if RI bank number greater than if it is greater than 60, but and so for and we will use and function, and RI bank number is less than 80. So we will use the AND function here. Inside this AND function, we can write any number of conditions. If this condition is true, then it will print grade B. Else, now comes the else part. This is the condition of first if. This is if condition is true, then print this. If condition false, then execute this statement. If and inside this if statement, if this is a condition, if condition is true, then print this. If condition is not true, then print grade C. Let's format let's format this expression and let us test with 65. So it should print grade B. So here you can see grade B is printed here. Let's give number as 92. It should print grade A. Here you can see grade A is printed. If I give 41, it is less than 60, so it will print grade C. This is the concept of if statement. I hope you are able to understand and get some idea of if statement. If you have any doubt or query, please do post in the comment section, and also please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.